So here I am at the Cudahy Nature Preserve. This is my first time here actually. So I'm gonna check it out. Nice little parking lot, but it's kind of small. Got a little entrance right there to get in. Check it out. Go this way first. Looks like it's a little roundabout. Looks like it's just a little roundabout. That's it. Maybe a little picnic shelter. Roundabout that way. Up this way. Oh, they got a little shelter area. So that's kind of cool. Oh, watch your step. So I'm just gonna do this little quick hike. See what this is all about. Seeing this is my first time here. I'm not gonna really do nothing too crazy off trail. But looks like there's a little trail going that way. Boom, boom. Come up this way and see what we got. But yeah, right here in the middle of the city of Milwaukee. Actually, like right across the street from Mitchell International Airport. So the Blue Angels are in town this week, or this weekend, for the Milwaukee Air Show, whatever you call it. Call it the Air Show. But yeah, it's kind of cool little spot. Never been here. Who would have known? Right here in the middle of the woods. Or a nice little spot right here. Middle of the city of Milwaukee. Actually in Cudahy, I believe this is. I believe this is Cudahy. Took a couple little flips. I don't know if I can see anything. But you never know. You just never know. Definitely got some mosquito action back here. I can feel them buzzing around my face. It's that time of the year. Damn things are a pain in the ass. So there's quite a bit of wood chunks back here to flip. I might like that. Huh. Nice cool little spot. Nice little spot right here to chill. Probably like a halfway point or something. I don't know. Sit down, catch your breath. Pick the ticks off your dog. Whatever. Alright, now it looks like it's going downhill. Elevation going down. Oh, looks like someone's been through here on a bike. That's kind of cool. My luck, I'm over here filming and he comes blazing around the corner. My bad. Sorry. I gotta check this out. Cool. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I have a decision to make. Alright, we go left, we go right. Alright, I'm going left. Oh, what is that? No mushrooms? Damn, mosquitoes are a pain in the ass. God. So, I'm like getting steadily bombarded in the face by mosquitoes. It's kind of cool. Man. Damn, things are such a pain in the ass. Like, who needs mosquitoes? Like, who says, hey, I want a mosquito? Alright, so we got more bike tracks over here. Oh, a little bridge. It's a little bridge. Cool. Cool. So off I go. Nice little creek scene. But I must move on. My vehicle is parked over in the parking lot. And I don't know Milwaukee County that well. Check this out. Alright, I'm getting ate up. So I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to keep on and pushing. Cool little bench right here. Like I said, I'm not going to stop because the mosquitoes are ridiculous. Highly recommend putting on some off bug spray, some kind of DEET. I neglected to put any on because I don't like the way it smells. Cool little mushroom. Yuck. No thanks. Another bench. So yeah, this is my first time here. Never knew about this place. Not bad. Nice and quiet. Not far from Woodman's, Milwaukee Airport. Look at this big old monster of a tree. Oh my God. Let me walk around this thing. Definitely gonna look at the geocaching map and see if there's any geocaches back here. That'd be kind of fun. Uh-oh. Found trees like this before. Oh my Jesus. Look at these ones. They had like a Grateful Dead bear back in the day. And these are all the new ones. Wonder if they're still together. It'd be crazy. They're still together. There's some more. Jeez. Look at this tree. Poor tree. It's got everybody's name written in it. Oh, it's a puka. Oh, moving again. Going to move again. Oh, there's a fence right over there. You can see the fence line. That's the airport, actually. Right on the other side. Damn, look at them roots. Them roots will take you out. So there's some pretty big trees back here. Been here forever, I'm sure. Now there's all kinds of little ways to go. I can go that way, I can go this way. I don't know. Never been here, so I don't know. Go this way and see what happens. Holy shit. Look at the size of this tree. This thing came down, my goodness. Blocking up all the trails. I can kind of hear in the background, it sounds like the Blue Angels firing up, take off. They're doing their little practice runs, taking the news media out on their little flybys. Huh. This is pretty wild. More trees. Everybody likes to carve their shit into. Poor trees, you know they feel that. They feel the pain. Scarred for life. I suppose it's like getting a tattoo. Oh, look at that. Look at that big old piece. I'm gonna flip this. This is my kind of stuff right here. Oh. Nothing. Just a worm. Uh-oh, I'm getting out of here. Mosquitoes! God damn you. Alright, we're coming up on some other little bench area. Kind of cool. Oh, mosquitoes, I love you too. Buzzing all around in my damn ear canal. It's like, really? You can go anywhere you want. You gotta go in my ear canal. Serious? Damn! Damn, look at this tree. It's twisted. It's a twister. It must have been right here. Down. Dang. Tree down. Tree down. Looks like I'm going around. It's brushing up on all this shit. Give me some poison ivy. Huh? Man, wonder what sound this thing made when it come crashing down. Wasn't too long ago. Still pretty fresh. Leaves are not even fully died, brittle. Huh. So it looks like we're headed back towards the car parking lot area. You can see the sun coming through the leaves there. But check this tree out. Jeez. Man, this thing has got to be ages old. Decades. Man, he's even got a big old spider. He's even got a big spider living in him. Hello, spider. Hello, spider. Hey, crazy. Nope. Not my kind of spider. So it looks like it's coming down and around. Someone comes through with a chainsaw. Clean that up at some point. Definitely need some chainsaw work. I see houses right through the trees over that way. So we are pretty close to houses. Still. Another trail going up that way. See more carvings on the tree. Yeah, see, that's someone's house right there. Right over there, someone's house. Looks like it's cutting, the trail's cutting away from their property, which is good. Guess it's gonna come back up and around through. So, yeah, nothing too exciting about this trail. Just a little loop. I don't see nothing too crazy wildlife-wise. Unless mosquitoes are your jam, and this is for you. But nice and quiet though. No people. Middle of the city. Literally. Like middle of Milwaukee. Check out this. Check this guy out. Not sure what kind of mushroom that is. Yuck. Yuck. Stopping. I got mosquitoes buzzing in my ear. Okay, time to move on. Sorry I stopped. I know. So it looks like all the carvings are in certain types of trees. Kind of like, see this tree here. It's got all the carvings. Must be easier to carve. Bunch of morons. So I was hoping to hear one of them blue angels fly over the top. Here, as I was walking through this, because they're literally like right across the street practicing for the air show this weekend. Oh, look at this nice little obstacle course for your bike. Pretty wild. Alright. Looks like I'm coming back around to this damn tree again. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Ooh, look at the size of this tree. It looks like it took down the tree next to it, splintered it. Man, that thing is massive. Took down a couple trees. That thing was so big. Took down people with him when he went. Jesus. Wow. Nuts. Woo. Like a dead whale laying there. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Woo. Crazy. Took that tree down. That's all splintered. Imagine that snap right now. Go. Alright, on we go. Alright, so I'm headed back now. I don't know if there's a different trail or what, but looks like the same way I came. Gonna record just in case. You never know what's gonna happen. You could see a deer. Anything.